Account menu gives information about the Office which you have installed in your computer. For example, the version of your Office and what software does it install in your computer, and about update of the Office. You can regulate some settings here. If you click on Update now, it starts updating, or even you can disable the updating. Then in the Account section, you can log in or log out with the account that you have made in Microsoft website. And some settings related to your Office, like Office background here. No background is selected. The background provides some themes in this part, especially put the top and right. Now I select calligraphy as a background. As you see, each section that I select will create a design here. For example, when I select this option and when I click on back, as you see, the design is still there. And each tab that I go, the design is there. You can choose each one that you like. And in the Office theme section, you can select a theme for your Office that by default it is uncolorful. You can select dark gray, black, or you can select a white theme. You can choose each one you like for your Office themes.